Alright, hey guys, so here we have another crowd favorite. This is an Emerson Oddysey. This is another fan that I've been wanting for quite a while. So I had the chance to get one of these and I kind of blew it, so I've been kind of bummed about that ever since. I actually don't remember what finish it was. It was either nickel or oil rubber bronze. I don't remember now, but I've always really liked the design. And well, I went to Habitat today, and the chance presented itself. There was two of them. I went with the cheaper one. What had happened was so I saw these, and I had to go pick up a leaf blower that I was having refurbished. And by the time I got back, the one with the remote had been wasn't bought, but it was in a cart. Someone was waiting to check it out. So I got this one, which is fine. I've got Emerson remotes, and I don't have any plans to use it, at least not as of right now. So I think the only thing I have left on my Emerson want list would be like heat fans, straddle jets, and the windjammer. I guess heat fans and straddle jets kind of go hand in hand. They're technically the same. Okay, so for testing purposes, I'm using a Emerson Air Design wall control. That was basically Emerson's take on the Casablancas IntelliTouch. Came out in like the 90s. I don't know exactly when. I want to say early 90s, but I don't know for sure. So let's test it out. Well, let's see. Is there a demo mode? I don't think there is. No. Okay. So I'm going to turn it on. No, I'm not. It's not plugged in. Which in the middle of getting the amp meter, and I forgot to do that. And now I don't remember where I put it. It's right in front of my face. Okay. Alrighty. Been kind of hot lately. Haven't really been thinking all that great, so no things like that are gonna happen. Okay, so now we're actually gonna turn it on. So start off with our light. Up light and down light. So let's turn the down light off. The up light's kind of dim. Maybe not. Okay, so up light. Like 0.6 amps. 66 watts. I think those are probably 25 watt bulbs then. Do our this thing upside down. Okay. Turn our down light back on. Up light off. 1.12 amps. So those are probably 60 watt bulbs. Or no, they'd probably be two 60s and a 25. And turn our up light back on. See what they do together. 1.7. Turn those off. Test our fan. So this has 6 speeds, just like IntelliTouch. Okay. Point 2. From what I remember, there's not really any difference between how this works and actual 3 speeds. I guess I'm remembering wrong. It's actually pretty aesthetic. I've always really liked how these bleeds looked. Let's go to speed 2. Oh, that's where the light was. So one thing that I do like about this better than Intellitus is you can go up and down in speeds. You have little arrows. What else? Oh, the light kit is rubbing on, or the blade assembly is rubbing on the light kit, so it had to be loosened a little bit. Best thing to do would either be to replace the flywheel or add washers to the light kit to space it out some more, or do both. Speed 3. That doesn't look too bad. Go to speed 4. As you can see, I still have the date up in the background. I took the SMC down to replace the bearings, and I could have thrown it right back up the same night, but I was just too tired. And it's not something I've gotten around to doing. It's actually kind of nice having a more powerful fan there because I've been taking the other 2 Daytons apart. So it's been kind of nice having a more powerful fan. But maybe if I have a chance tonight, I'll swap the Dayton and SMC around again so I can take that one down because it's the only one I have left to take apart. Speed 5. And speed 6. So this actually has the reverse switch in the light kit. They've always kind of had like a little incognito place to put in their reverse switches. There's a little wobble. See that? And there it is. I haven't really been keeping up on the amp meter. Let's see what this thing draws on high. 173. Let's do spin down. Turn the lights on. See how that looks. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. There's Ladybug. Looks like I found my bug zapper. Alright, well, there's my Emerson Odyssey. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.